Stop gaining the weight back. Remember, this is not some magical thing where you can just increase your calories to be the next level Michael Phelps. You shouldn't be dieting forever, but it doesn't mean that it's just ended. If you don't put effort into what happens after the diet, just become another one of those yo-yo dieters that keep losing and gaining the same weight over and over. That's when people say that the reverse didn't work for them, or they don't see results unless they're cutting out carbs or always dieting. Step 1. Where did you start your diet? And where did you end it? Let's say that you started at 2,400 calories and we ended on 1,500, 1,600. The first step, bringing you right up to 1,900 at a bare minimum, mainly from carbs. None of this tiptoeing around wasting time and staying in a deficit. 2. Stick to your diet foods. Don't go and reinvent the wheel and add in all of these fun foods, because your leptin signals, which signals fullness, are going to stay suppressed while your hunger signals are going to increase. And the desirability and the dopamine hit from adding in all of these pleasurable foods are going to have you eating past fullness. Plus, more variety is just giving you a tendency to overeat. Don't even think about using the scales as a metric of progress. You'll have big fluctuations, and maintenance doesn't mean staying the exact same weight. You'll see the scale go up. Food weighs something, carbs, training harder, or water weight. Once you adapt to that, feelings, body, and digestion-wise, you can add in 100, 200 calories more. Everything thereon is based on biofeedback. Read the caption for more. Don't forget to click follow.